dance is called home. 32 count 4 walls. There's a tag at end of wall 10, which is 44 count. Let me show you the dance from the top. Section 1. Starting with your right foot. Side together, forward shuffle. Side together, forward shuffle. Section 1. Side together, forward shuffle. Side together, forward shuffle. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, rock, recover, back shuffle, rock back, recover. Section 2, rock, recover, back shuffle, rock back, recover. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, side, recover, cross, chop. Side, hold 1 count and side touch. Section 3, side, recover, cross, chop. Side, hold 1 count and side touch. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold 6 and 7, 8. Section 4. Side behind water scarf. Step pivot half turn, forward shuffle. Section 4. Side behind water scarf. Step pivot half turn, forward shuffle. Section 4 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And you finish the dance here. Let me show you the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And you will dance the same until end of wall 10, facing 6 o'clock. Let me show you the tag facing 6 o'clock. This is wall 10. Side, hold, rock, recover. Side, hold, rock, recover. With the count, 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. Section 2, make a quarter to the left. Side, hold, rock, recover. Side, hold, rock, recover. So section 2 with a count from here. Section 1 again, 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. Section 2 with a count. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Step hold, just walk quarter turn to your right. Cross, back, quarter, step. So, section 3. Step hold, just walk quarter turn to your right. Cross, back, quarter, step. With the count, 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, repeat again. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, a quarter, just walk to your right. Cross, back, side, quarter. With the count, 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5 again. 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last 4 count, cross, right over left, make the full turn, unwind. With the weight still remain on the left. So you go 1 and you turn with the weight on the left, and you finish the tag. You will start the dance here, side together for cha-cha. Let me show you the full turn unwind. So it will be 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you start side together for cha-cha. I will show you the tag once again, facing 6 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2, 3, 4. 5 hold 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2, 3, 4. 5 hold 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you start the dance again.